Welcome to our channel. While sharing Venmo contacts directly with TSA isn't a standard feature, you can export contact information for various purposes. Follow these steps to manage and share contact information appropriately. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your friends or contacts list by tapping the friends icon or searching for specific users. Step 3. Note that Venmo doesn't have a direct export feature, so you'll need to manually record contact information if needed. Step 4. For each contact you want to share, tap their profile and note their username or associated information. Step 5. Open your device's Contacts app and create new contacts or update existing ones with Venmo usernames if needed. Step 6. If you need to share contact information with TSA or any official site, ensure you're only sharing necessary and appropriate information. Step 7. Consider the privacy implications and legal requirements before sharing any personal contact information with government agencies. Step 8. Contact TSA directly through their official channels if you need guidance on what information they require and how to submit it properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.